Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik, and in today's news we have 20 Effekseer strike and smash animations by Dream Circle, a character art of a blonde, grey-eyed girl by Layla, and a catalogue of 22 actor images by Tatsumiya. Next we have 2 Japanese games with cool battle mechanics. Razia Salvation, a deck-building, card-battling game with a story about a tragic fairy tale. Night of Grouse, a game where you play as an apprentice exorcist, going to a mansion to defeat the devil with Mega Man-like charge shots. And lastly, we have 2 plugin releases for today. An MV plugin by Monokura that stops actor from moving forward during side view battles. And an MZ plugin by NZ Prism that generates randomized dungeon maps in-game and allows placing events that appear at random points in that map. This plugin comes with a demo that to me made it look and work very similar to the dungeons inside the Pokemon Mystery Dungeon series from Game Boy. That is all for today. Randomizations help make each player's experience different, or the same player's experience different with each playthrough, so more opportunities to randomize is always welcomed.